Jeez, my phone camera is horrible. Yeah, she's eating. So it's day whatever. I haven't been recording at all because nothing really new has happened. What has happened is today she's been chirping and she's been whistling, and then I've been whistling, and then she does the same thing, and it's awesome. But of course, right when I want to record it, she stops. So I don't know. I'll try to get it. Yep, she's talking. So she's been whistling like this for a couple days, and I whistle back and then she whistles again. I think it's pretty cool. She's starting to actually interact with me. But goddamn, she's going off a lot right now. This is the most she's whistled. I tried to record it before, but she would stop. Especially when I would talk, she would stop whistling. But this time, she's not. It's doing good. Sorry for the lack of uploads too. Might as well finish this video up. I have nothing else to record. All she's done is the same exact things. What I need to do next is clean. I need to replace that with a different bowl, put the bowl over there for the seed, and put fruit in there so that way she can start eating that. I still haven't done that yet. I am kind of slacking a little bit on training her and taking care of her a little bit, but I'm still doing everything I need to. I'm just not really training her. That's all about it. So yeah, leave a like on this video. I know it's really random. There's a bunch of different days in this video. It's been like a week or so since I recorded, but anyways, leave a like, subscribe, comment, everything. Peace.